Did I just skip the song back? Dang it. It's a cool shader. They got a funny title. Alright. Stable. What is the new updates? I almost forgot. I should have gone full screen for that. That was kind of wicked sick. What reminded me was the fact that the steam wasn't fogging up my glasses. It reminded me I wasn't wearing glasses. It is less blurry. I just got these glasses like last week. Crash when displaying corrupted BMP images. That doesn't bode well for the software's protection from decoders. My left eye is not doing so hot. It's like a different kind of blurry. I think I got something in my eye. In a non-serious way. Oh, cool. Oh, no, this is the new one. Alright, well, it's updated. Great. Okay, so I think I know exactly what the problem is. So I am just going to go write the code. Ratio. Alright, so first thing we do is check for stupid float values that shouldn't exist. Nan. Sentinel value. Subnormal is okay. Infinity is dumb, but this can handle it. I would love to have like compiler protection from mistakes. Like, if if it is possible to divide by zero, it should be a result, and you should have to handle a divide by zero error. But also, it's possible to define a ranged value where it's between 1 and 2. And so if you divide by this value that's between 1 and 2, you cannot divide by 0. You will not get a divide by 0 error. So you can like throw away all the handling for that stuff. I guess you still kind of gotta do it at the hardware level, but like that should be fine, right? You just crash the software instead of crash the hardware. Anyways, personal hatred of Nan and Infinity as Sentinel values. I think, well, I guess it's convenient to ignore. Maybe it does have a place, and it's not just it shouldn't exist. I just immediately convert everything to integers and only use integers. And I have a whole library of compile time checking where it doesn't check the range of the values. I mean, it kind of does. it's more of the representation of the values, where if you multiply two 64-bit integers together, you get a 128-bit result. Actually, can you? Min. I gotta know. I gotta know. I had a random thought. Is it true? I-128 min is equal to I-64 min as I-128 and then squared. Yeah. Is that true? Yeah. Was a module. Cardo. Is it true failed? Oh, I'm dummy. Negative times a negative. Duh. But let's see. What are these numbers? So this is like shift 1. Let's see. I mean, it looks like it. Whatever. I'll just use the big calculator because it's easy. I poured a bunch of chocolate milk into my coffee like an animal. All right, so I think this is gonna be 2. Negative. I was wrong. It's -2. So that means it always works. But okay, I see. So you actually do. So if you multiply two signed 64-bit values, so there's 63 integer bits and one signed bit, precision bits, I guess, then the output will be 126 bits, but you can have the minimum value like this, and this is actually using the highest bit. Is it min? Actually, why don't we print this binary? B. So we know that they're not equal. So that's gonna be 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. I guess I can make it smaller. I can do I8 and I16, and that'll be easier to say. All right, let's do this. Cargo test. Yeah, okay, so minimum. So this is all the bits, and this should be padded left with one more 0. Indeed. So you can't get away with one fewer bit? Earth. Okay. Well, let me write the algorithm now. That was a diversion. So I think that I need a goob here. It's a U. Who did this? In, whole, U. Do I want I? Right. This is the limit. And this is the limit. That's why I'm using I64, even though it can't be negative. Okay, it's totally fine. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything is fine. So, all my stuff is saved. Okay, so be gone. Excuse me. Continued fraction. Vec. No. Eh, 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 eh. So we go like continued fraction dot push whole number, and then you go like, instead of ma, you do the the There's typed Python? All right, so now this thing needs to construct the entire mamacita. Why did I want to say mamacita? I'm making a node editor, like game engine, Unreal Engine type situation. Bro, it's so easy. You just plug in the nodes. Whoa. Build ratio. I don't know. There's something here. It's a slice of and then we go, oh, that's not a slice. And we go, it's optional ratio. Whoa. Indeed. So we got to do like this, but the other way around. So while, oh, I guess I can just do loop. Loop question mark semicolon. Actually, oh no, it's a for loop. Okay. For in repr ma, you know, you hear, semicolon, and then the new den situation, right? So you just go like this, help. So okay, actually, yeah, no, it goes like this, and then ma. Very good, and then it is an I-64, and then I believe this is iter rev. Like that's the entire point. Oh, okay, and then this is rat io new. Numden. No, I just got me on there. And then give me the old. Huh? Like that. Yeah. Bow. And then whatever, man. Okay. So that does that. And then this does if let some help. If it overflow, it break. Return. Oh. I see. Ma. So it pushes. I mean, we get the ratio. Does it? Do we care? I don't think we care. Like let else is cool and all, but oh, U128. What the hell? Break. Nah, that's return. How does it? Plus, if whole is. How does it? How do you get to the exact representation. Like, okay, let's say this is 4 and this is 3. And you go, "Wah," and it goes like, oh, there's 1, and then it minuses 4, now it's 1 over, that's 3 over 1, minus 3. Yeah, so if whole is 0, you're done. You're done. Because it'll just keep looping forever. Um, uh, I guess this is if build ratio is none, we never want the ratio out of this. What's up with you? Option ratio. Okay. So we do want the ratio from the last round. It can't be that bad to build, though. Like I could stuff it in a variable and say mutt. Yeah, like, yeah, this can break. Hello? Oh, we're good. Okay. Yeah, this has cases where it can break. Like, I guess it actually doesn't because it's 0 is handled here. There must be at least one loop. Oh, I guess if your whole number is huge. All right, let's see. Let's see if it works. Build entire continued fraction every loop. Because I don't think you can do it the other way. All right, test. All right, so then that's let sum ratio equals else. And then I can say like this. Oh, that's, it's before. Whatever, man. Whatever. I guess I can say. I can say like this, and then say like this, and that'll work. Outnum is actually rat.io. Okay, what say you? Oh, that looks right. So we get this number divided by that number. And this is the exact floating point representation or something of 1/1,000,000,000. See? And if we go like this, it's like not exactly exact. Maybe 212, 214. Oh, 000. Huh. So yeah, what did it say? Yeah, so the first one is a gababillion. Indeed. So it wait, okay, did it does it actually exit that way? It does. So the float is actually not exactly representable, but it can make a really good fraction with the continued fraction expansion technique for building ratios of increasing precision. Okay, so all right, time to like shout this code at AI and see if I missed anything. Hey AI! Hey mom! Hey mom! Sorry, that's a YouTube video. Primate punk. Come here. Come here. Okay, is there a way to procedurally build a continued fraction without using a heap allocation? Without using a vec? I don't know. Okay. Whoopsie. Well, that freaking worked. The strategy of like go to sleep and then try again the next day goes so hard. All right, what you say? Oh. Was I wrong? Convergence. That's bad. Plus. New. Minus. You. Oh. This is affecting both. What's a QP? AQPW. You can't. So you can do it, and I was wrong. I should probably do it then. So this looks like you're gonna wanna GCD as well. Oh. Oh. Oh, no, I just missed the entire thing. Ah, dang. Okay. Okay, so just it was all wrong. QP. Why is there? Well, that's a bit upsetting that I was outsmarted by AI. But I didn't exactly think hard about it. I was more interested in actually making it work. And now it does work. And now we can get rid of the stacky, or the heapy. Okay. AQPW. Over. That is not correct. Yeah, this is pretty dumb. What? Okay. Probably this is right. Because, like, continued fractions are a W system. Whatever. Okay. Yoink. Quit it. Okay. So then we do this. So I don't need to build a damn ratio. We go P next. Let's sum else. Else break. So check both. P AQPW. I'm just guessing that this is correct. And then indeed. Yeah, and then you do this entire swaddle. P next. Okay. And then we build a rat IO. And it's never 0. AQPW. PQ. That'd be cool if this worked. Not quite. So it did work, but it's backwards. Okay, what did I start with before? 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so it's just backwards then. Let's try that. Sick. Okay, so we got him. It's this. And we don't need the heap. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Cool. Okay, well, AI was actually helpful for once. No heap. Outsmarted by 20 billion parameter model. I'm going to heat this up a little bit. All right, I have another excuse of why I was outsmarted by AI. This is like rote memorization. I just haven't done this before. In my pocket. Ugh. You're done. He. Um. Uh. Neat o burrito. Oh goddamn. Okay. So I think that's good. So I add the module. I do the thing. Does it work though? Wasm pack. Go for it. All right. Now we host it. Yeah. With our Python server. Boom. Yeah. Okay. What about down? Ooh. Boo. Your algorithm sucks. All right. All right. So let's go 0.1, 0. I don't know, 8. 0.6. I don't know. 0, 0, 0. Yeah. We can actually... We'll put the easy ones at the top. All right. 1, 2. So it goes to 1.1. And it does it. And it goes to this one. Let's see what it is. 0.8. That looking good. So why doesn't it work then? That is a crazy fraction to represent 0.8. We have too many bits of precision. Like the input number is a float 64, which is a really precise number, but it can't represent 0.8 exactly. But we can represent the floating point value very precisely, even though the floating point value doesn't represent the value exactly. So this could just be 4 divided by 5, and it'd be like, yeah, and it would work. Yeah. It's when you have really big numbers that it's sucky, right? So it should do like one loop, regardless. And then let it go until there's a number bigger than a threshold. All right, whatever. Keep going. Oh, I gotta save. Like, it just looks like it's working. So I think this must be an overflow. Yeah, it's just straight up working. And my numbers suck. They suck. Oh my god, bro. It just is working. It just looks right. Oh, 01. It's pretty cool. It keeps coming up with very precise representations of the floating point value. Because yeah, it's hit the maximum now. Oh. So cool. more. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see what it tries there. Zero, 1. Okay, a 1 fewer 0. Ooh. I don't know why I had to check that. It should be more precise than in terms of the actual floating point value of this here. Like, so these bits, whatever value these bits represent, this should be very accurate to that. Obviously, if this denominator was exact, it would be the exact input value. Ugh. I'm definitely pleased. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 5. It's so funny. Cool. Okay. Well, fantastic. It works. So what I actually want is for the ratio to work correctly. So I'm going to need to release a new version of Core for that. So let's go do that. No, it's not in there. Wait, I already had it? Are you kidding? I wrote, this is the algorithm that I just wrote. And I came up with it myself 2 years ago. Okay, well, here's evidence I'm on my decline. I literally called it the same thing. Oh my god, bro. Max denominator. Is this? Yeah, no, this is U in 28. Interesting. So instead of checking for overflow, I just like use U128. U64. Yeah, no, this is actually wrong. Because within the implementation, the mul just does that. And yeah. There's really no guarantees of anything. Psi. I believe that's the problem. Guess I'll do the same thing for this. You don't need the little brackets here, fella. I-64. Let's compare nan infinite classify subnormal is this used anywhere? No. You Goobert. Leading zeros. Jesus. Homely. So why is this 127? In my algorithm here, it's 52. Very small number is not representable. 52. Exponent is less than negative 63. Oh, this is rar. No, this is the mess. Oh, this is wrong. Oh. E. Where is E here? E. Okay, I see. Den. Am I gonna end up with 0? M. So less than negative 120. Okay, so less than negative 63. Yeah, greater than negative 63. Then that's an integer. So between 0 and negative 63. I feel like that's not right. Because, like... Oh, I see. Okay, I'm putting the denominator to exactly the U64. But... leading zeros. This is like... Dude, I was smart. What happened? I'm going to label this integer. And then this is simple exact representation. Integer, and then yeah. If you pass infinity, that's your bad. Dude, I can't believe it. I could literally have just done try from, and then I would be finished instead of writing this. I mean, kind of. It was like stupid, but whatever. I fixed it. God. I must have looked this up. Damn. Okay. If we're using U, then I can use U here. Oh no, if we're using I-128 in this, then you can have U64. Den. This whole thing wasn't thought out very well. Yeah. So I'm only checking the denominator here. But I guess that makes sense because it's always the bigger number. It's pretty cool that I only have one break. This is definitely a better algorithm. What a god. Okay. We'll go with this. And I'll just go curl up in a ball in a corner and cry because I didn't need any of this. Yeah. Okay, so I didn't need any of that. I do actually need this bit right here. But that's like one line of code, so okay. Where's the JavaScripty? Okay, so then this is not real. Try into unwrap. That's all I needed to do the whole time. Ah! It was already part of the library. Yeah. Okay, well. Oh, right. I think it still won't work like this. I do actually need to publish a new version. Um, common fix ratio mul with large numbers. Subnormal. Common. Is that a breaking change? Technically, yes. I'm not gonna. Like, it just doesn't matter. Okay. I want it. Who's gonna break? Nobody. Great pain. I wasted an entire day on this. Almost 2 days. God. I already had a whole algorithm. The same algorithm. Just like written better, thought through better by a smarter version of myself from 2 years ago. And not AI. Bruh. Actually, why don't I yoink the tests and check it out? Grab that. Let's see. Go over to Mr. Common. I probably have some tests here. No, I don't. Absolutely zero. Wait, no, it's at the bottom. Test square test. No tests. Okay. Well, let's write a test. Ratio from float. Oh. Okay, you good? Okay, so then literally get out of here. There we go. Try into. There you go. Let's see if it gets the exact same results. Strafe, lib, common, cargo test. Failed. That's what I thought. So we got pretty far. 11, huh? Interesting. So it actually found a more precise representation. Kind of what I expected. Neat. Let's see if the other one does that. If I allow the bigger number, the better. Whole number. Yeah. So I do U. Let's see if this one does it as well. No. Hmm. Is it correct? I guess I didn't check. Is it closer? How would I find out? I need to know the floating point representation. It's just fine. All right. Let's go. This doesn't test the edge cases. Whatever. It also doesn't test. Wait. It doesn't. It's ambiguous. Well, sure. I'm just gonna pretend it's a not breaking release because I don't want to make the number go up. I don't know. I should not do pride versioning. I should do semantic versioning. It's okay. The number went up and it's okay. Um, okay. Now back here. Bow. Quit it. Who is using the old one? You gotta be yanking my chain. Oh, no. Bot player. Because I released a breaking change, it requires a new version of graphics. Just for a single, it's literally just for this one thing. This line, me removing this thing that's unused, means it's a breaking change. Nothing else does. Oh, I was trying to be principled, man. Being principled is hard. All right. Oh. Sad scam game. I scammed myself. This is so sad. Why are you common? What is this? Sniff 2? This was a mistake. This was a mistake. I think I'm just going to undo it. Whoa. I feel shame. I don't remember how to undo it. Whatever, man. Cool. All right. Does it also update this goob? No. All right. I'm erasing my mistakes. What the hell? Oh, that's right. It never happened. I don't know what you're talking about. It just never happened. Holy. Bro released a lot of packages. All right. It never happened. 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 It was a really big mistake to do that. It wasn't that big of a mistake. All right. There we go. So now in the bot player, we use 8.2, and everybody uses 8.2. I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean I made a mistake? Oh my god, bro. Why does it keep updating the freaking Windows idiot stuff? Why does it do that? I mean, maybe this is nice. All right. Try again. Again. Oh, I still have coffee. Okay, it's already hosted. Let's see if it works now. Okay. Going up works. Does going down work? Yes. All right. All right. Oh, was that the problem? Oh my. Huh. I did not realize that was the problem. So the entire reason it was glitching was because the ratio sucked. Huh. So probably same with the big numbers, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. Does it start lagging? Aliasing. Honestly, it probably doesn't lag until 6. Yep, there it is. Well, isn't that fun? And I can type 1,000, 100. Yay! Okay. Good job. Good job. All right. Uh. Well done. So this fixes. Why don't I split it actually? Um. Fix ratio mul int. And then move up. GG. And I never needed it in the first place. Gabagoo. So there's no longer a max. You go right ahead and break your client. Sick. Okay. Whoopsie. Goodbye. What's this? Loop. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go bump the public API. Just added to the handler. Someone sent me a message with a picture. Oh my god, I hate Discord. I hate Discord. God, opening Discord is like stabbing yourself in the foot with a fork. All right, apps. How do you do that? Settings, apps, Discord, force stop. Do not run on my phone for more than 5 seconds. Actually, I can show you the picture. The picture. I could transfer it to my phone, or to my computer, but we have technology. Wow. That's what it looked like out my window. We have photon technology. All right. Well, let's read these review comments. Good. All right. Sure. The close all. Go away, go away. API. Time dot duration. This is a Golang moment. Its name was like, this is 10 nanoseconds. Okay. See ya. And then the handler's handler, the router's router times we don't need like this, we don't need like this. It's only used right here, so just go like bop. Dot do. Why not? What, like this? Incredible. Wow, that is so not rusty. Okay, we love Golang. Time dot second. Freak. God, Golang is something else. Oh, you're gonna make a mistake? Unlucky, really. Alright. HTTP. I think we can just get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Oh. What? Oh, apparently it doesn't need HTTP. HTTP server, HTTP client. Okay. 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 Oof. Okay. Okay. AI, help, help. This is stupid. What should I write instead? I mean, I guess I know what I should write instead. I should bind it to a variable and then call do on it. Oh. That is crazy that Golang doesn't have coercion. They have so much implicit stuff, and then the one implicit thing that is like incredibly valuable and unambiguous, they don't have it. Another W for Rust. All right. Okay, nobody cares. Okay, goodbye. So let's see. No HTTP client plumbing. We can say like ethereal HTTP transient HTTP client. Boom. Wordsmith. Boom. Minus 19 line of code. Okay. 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 So I did this, and I did this. Okay, and then I have to fix this. Yay, transient. Okay. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god, bruh. Storage URL. Pointer to string. I am death. How big is string? Does it tell you how big this? Oh, that's cool. If I go straight, so this is size 16. If I do this, it's size 24. Wait, why is there string size 16? What even is a Golang string? Golang string size 16. But how? Reflect string header containing a pointer to actual string data and the length of string. So data length. Okay, so there's no capacity. It's so unrusty. The unrust. Ah, okay. So then this guy. Okay. No. 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 And then how do you get the ooh from the times handler as a H. You do H dot what? Times handler has a handler. The handler has a gRPC. H dot. Oh, it just goes through. Okay. So this is storage URL. That's implicit and goofy. I hate it. Okay, so then with storage URL. What? So like, what's up? Da da da. Okay, bud. Hello? Hello? Okay. Hello? Router? So we just like half-ass this. Data client, storage URL, handler option. This is so goofy. Oh, you just literally changed this. What a freaking goofy way to do things. Why would you do it like that? It's so goofy and extra. Like, literally just call a function with arguments. They're like, this is literally just reinventing function arguments. Ooh, ah. Oh. Um. Stop being petty. Um. All right. I'm done. Okay. Did I do it? Let's see if there's any changes here. There's no changes. Okay. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Mm, mm. Storage URL. Uh-huh. Indeed. Okay. Good. Let's take a look. See. Whoa! Oh. Do we want? I don't know. Okay. What is that? What is that? JS. Jeez. We have false and we have null. Huh? Boolean. Sound handler. Is it really that easy? What is view? Who wrote this code? Where's view? View dot jump sounds. So you just like externally. What's this? Camera punch equals true. Yeah, okay. It's the same setting as that. So surely this is camera punch. Huge. Ha! Okay. My code has been copied. All right. It's using an existing pattern. Sound handler. Is this... Okay, playback context. Camera handler. Where's the old... Camera boom. Camera bing bong. View dot... yeah, where's the how did a camera do that? Camera handler. Scale equals sound play. Volume. So this is not mutating any global state other than the sound. Let me F it. Game. Camera punch. View. No blunder. Me when I have no blunder. Bind view. It's literally just resetting it instead of... Maybe the camera should be changed to this as well. No, camera blenders. Stupid. Oop. Camera. Okay, so... I mean, it's okay. I believe this code is good. Let me do it one more time. Jump sounds, jumpy jump. Yes. Indeed. 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 And it goes into staging. Cool. Sick. I was just calling out the fact that I'm sick. All right, chat compliance. Huge. All right, I'm only gonna check that out after. What time is it? 9:27. Fantastic. Fantastical. I just remembered I have no minimum limit on how long I need to stream for. I guess I could just kind of camera and look at the code. Why don't I just do that? All right. Oh. Okay, so what did I write here? Neato burrito. Get mudded. Jesus. Jesus. Is there seriously not like a property? User ID. So it does actually have user ID. Yeah. Sheesh. Oh, very nice. Delete chat message. This is calling chat. Um, System name. This is combined filtering. This is yeah. I think I'll cherry pick here. What does this do? I don't have the stream on because it's like censorship code, and I don't know, maybe Roblox doesn't want people to bypass it. I don't know. It's open documentation. You know what? It doesn't matter. This is how the censorship works in BHOP. This is good. This is, I'm not sure how this is useful. It's not. Okay. Hmm. Uh, we also don't need this. So that's like full chat implementation. 18, 12. Yeah, that's more code than me. Where is that my fault? Oh no. Uh so yeah, this is one comment. Implement mute. Actually, oof. Let me try again. Ah. Okay, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the comments I want. Whisper delete. I guess I can do this. So then I can do merge into staging. Squash. And then I'll call it this. Is it just going to say it's by me? I see. Um, sure. Can I rename? Okay, so do dead code. We can leave that for now. Yeah. Okay, so this is good. And I want to merge it. Oh, actually, this is actually not part of it. Oops. So these is that replication. Yeah, okay. Oh, I messed up. Go 3, checkout, drop, force. What's going on? I'm trying to wrangle the comments to keep Tommy's credit for this. without making him be the one to rebase it. He implemented mute, and he implemented the thing. I'm just gonna merge this. Good. All right, so combine chat effect replicate, if not muted. Did I write that? Mudded. Lol. Good. So this is funny. Text source does actually have user ID on it, but this is so easy that it's fine. Approve my own pull requests. All right. Squash in staging. Oh, in master. Oops. This is why we check these things. All right. Co-authored. Let's go. And then we want another one. Chat compliance 4. Chat compliance. Replicate permissions for preview. Effects preview. Boom. And it cannot be merged. This is so sad. I went to master again. Dumbass. Squash. Wait, it's allowed? Oh, apparently this is smarter. First I should look, I guess. Yeah, no. Hold on. Staging, pull, merge staging into ding, bum, and then now take a look at it, and it should be less. Okay, set chat permissions flags. Sure thing, bud. Good. GG. Very nice, yes. I had like it deleted the entire thing. All right. That's GG. It's probably gonna reject me here. Good. Boo. All right, it's to staging. Squash it. It's not really co-authored by me. All right. So you're done. You're done. Delete. 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 Okay, so now I have 2 nice clean comments of features added. And the other comments are still there. Um, uh, Okay, good. So this whisper does not, it bypasses the sensor. So we can't do it like this. Um, indeed. Excellent. Oh. Reverse automatic rich text escaping. Ooh. You can G sub with a table. This is a global here. Oh. Message received. Is this in function? It is. All right. We're just going to put it here. No need to allocate every time. Yeesh. GG. Okay. Staging good. Surely I didn't make any mistakes. Okay, I like it. I like it. I like it. Does this actually go up to staging? It do. Okay. Me win the staging. I am going to join the game and look at it. And if it works, I'm going to publish it. Oh, Bobux crash. That's probably because my AI is running. Uh-oh. Is it time? Not quite. It's this place, right? Okay. Likely speaking users. XD. Okay, well, there's no errors. I assume that worked. Haha. Good luck to all involved. Jump sounds command may as well merge this as well. Do we want to squash? I'm a fan of squash. Neato burrito. So this goes to staging. Okay. Okay. So then we can do new staging to master. Chat compliance fixes. Jump sounds command. Cool. And this is staging to master, and everything looks good. Everybody happy. Good, 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 good. Yep, 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 yep. Where's that thing that I saw? There it is. Okay. Good. check thrice. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Me. Oh my. Oh my god, I love high frame rate. Ah! It's so fun to play. All right. Hello. The chat works. Whoa. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. I have to go like this. I forgot. Old server. Okay. Hello? Yeah. Neat. Well done. There's no errors. Game isn't blowing up. Yay. Yay. Maybe we can get the public API for bot download tomorrow. Help me get non-world record bots locally. Are you like OCRing? Oh no, you have a way to extract the text, don't you? Yeah man. Everything better. We're banking on it's a name approving this pull request. Go to the .log file. I didn't know that existed. This should do it. It needs a update to the dev service. Well, no, it doesn't actually. The dev service is very fancy. Its name has to add a new permission category, which is not a code update, as far as I'm aware. So yeah, it should be nice. Yay, okay. Oh, 5-man website bot player could become a reality. Yeah. Oh wait, I'm in the game. Yeah, it's still. Oh, my stream has been lagging this whole time. It still does it. Oh, I guess I should fix the FOV. Why don't I take a look at that? Oh. Peter, fix the FOV. All right. Little bot player. So it has a state. This state knows the FOV. How do you is zoom in the input? Yes, it's in game controls, isn't it? Okay. So then I add to state. I say get FOV situation. Get FOV y self f64. Is it f64? Yeah, it is. Self.fovy times, I guess this is an if statement. If self dot game controls contains game controls zoom, then should I branchless? I'm type of branchless. Just without my internet. Zoom enabled equals to this. I guess that's an if statement. If zoom enabled times 0.2 else self.fov. And then get sensitivity. Returns both X and Y. So zoom does have an effect only in certain situations. Good. If self dot, how did it know? Then use absolute, else we do need to know if zoom, zoom, self dot sensitivity x. Okay, let sens x equals to this. X times FOV times 0.2. Divide by 128, I think. What does the game code say? Okay, absolute sensitivity self dot sensitivity. I don't know. There you go. I think I'm gonna start vibe coding an OS. Better choose Rust if you don't want it to just not work. My machine is gonna die. Well, these days the hardware is designed to not die. Unless you're Apple, I guess, then the hardware is designed to die. In multiple ways, actually. The way that I meant was the software can destroy your hardware. But I guess they also have planned obsolescence. Are LLMs good at Rust? Yeah, Rust is great with LLMs because it has lots of guardrails for blocking bad programming and blocking incorrect programs. And it gives very clear error messages. So when the AI does it wrong, it says, this is exactly what you should do instead. And the AI goes, oh, okay. And it does it, right? Python is also good with AIs because there's so much code examples. Only use C++ before. Those error messages are incomprehensible. Yes. So like the strictness of which programs compile and the very helpful and directed error messages is like, I mean, that's nice for me. That's why I like using Rust. It's because it prevents me from writing terrible code and tells me how to make good code. How to make my code better when it doesn't compile. I guess that was mostly when I was beginning, though. Ga, ra, FOV. I guess I can just use this if self.get FOV. There you go. 128. Is that it? Let's see. F128. All right, let's filter by game. It's only game. Divide by 128K. So since FOV zoom 128. Sends FOV zoom 128. Okay. Stupid, but whatever. I saw a guy make an OS in Rust on Twitch. Curtains. What, like this is the last OS ever? There's Redux OS. That's in Rust. That's probably the one that's most far along. Okay, so that should be some good things. So now I can use this in the native player to make it do it. So there's somewhere, somehow, that I'm just passing 1.0 as FOV, I think. Graphics, render, I think. Pause. Help. View inverse pause angles. Graphics.render. Did I do that? Euler. Oi. Where did the FOV go? Okay, so it's somewhere else. Graphics.render. Help. Where's the FOV? Camera to uniform data. View inverse projection. Self.fov. So I need to set the graphics camera FOV? How do you do that? Who wrote this code? Oh, there it is. 1. Graphics resize. Found the problem. Yeah, this is why I skipped this here. Is because it was annoying. I wonder how it starts out. Config device. I wonder if I can get away with doing like this. Because like that'd be annoying to pass the FOV there. All right, so then we need FOV, and it's also a glam but it's a glam like that. FOV, yay, FOV. Okay. Playback head. I do believe I can just zoink it from there. Okay, so then FOV X, FOV Y. So I need to make FOV X based on the size. Oh, look, there's the size. Okay. FOV Y equals self dot za dot okay, we got it. And then FOV X equals to FOV Y times height divided by width. No, it's wider. Times width divided by height. Gabagoo. Okay, so then as F4 and then resize. Oh, I made it whack. Hey, what is this? Is that correct? Resize vec2 S32 ARF. Okay. So we got 64 because that's what it is, but we do not care. So let's do hello FOV X as F32, FOV Y as F32, zoink it, boink it, doink it, boom. Let's go. And then I gotta do something similar here. Resize. Help. Indeed, sir. F64. Indeed, sir. And then help. It goes like this. Oh, it probably can. I can probably just tuple into as well. Okay, what's this? Playback head, resize, graphics. Right. I didn't want to require glam. So I think it's better as an array. Fox. All right. Unlucky. Just. Oh crap. Resize. So the player is lucky because it has the playback head here. But I don't have a function to nab this. Oh. Good enough. Earth. Okay, so now I need to add a method here that says get FOV. Why? Haha, why? And then it is not myself. So yeah, self.head.get state FOVY. Boom. Boom. F64. And then we go to JS. We build. Do it. And then resize needs the FOV. So we go like const FOVY equals to playback dot get FOVY situation, and then const FOVX equals canvas dot and then we do FOVX, FOVY. Yay! Zoink. And then everything works great. Shift F5. Okay, so now when I change... Oh! Something is not right. What is this? The What indeed happened here? I am not sure what has happened. FOV. It looked good at first. Surely it's not 90, right? Let's print it. Print it. Oh. Okay. So this is literally is just a slope of 80. This is slope FOV. So as it turns out, the FOV in the bots. Okay, so the playback head hadn't played anything, I guess. Rawr. Hmm. Indeed. Uh. Um. Hmm. So if I go like, I need to call this function once here. Elapsed 0, I believe. Um. I mean, that's kind of obvious. Okay, so now when I do this, it's just always like that, I assume. Let's see. FOVY80, we go. Oh my god, I did not mean to close that. That sucks. The focus is not on point in this window manager. FOVY 80. I do not understand. Shouldn't it be printing a single time? Oh, yeah, okay. Well, it turns out the bot is holding the bad FOV, and I need it to be the good FOV. I think that's it. 45, 1045 is 1, right? Let's try it. Okay. Bruh. Oh my god, obviously it's not in radians. The precision order. Okay, so Oh my god, bro. We try that again. Okay. So why does it not... Like, it looks like it's working, but it's not printing to the console. Like, it looks good, but I don't know. Well, that was fun and cool and easy and nice. Well done. I may want to change this to slope. It's because it's a fancy kind of FOV. Lib. SGG. All right. Yay. Yeah, I don't know why it works so well without printing when it resizes. I don't see how that's possible. Because, like, it looks correct. It's clearly resizing. Like, you wouldn't get this stretch if it wasn't resizing. It would just look like the image squashes instead of the view widens. Like it was doing before. So I don't understand how it's resizing if not through JavaScript. This is like the only way. Yeah, I have no idea. That's beyond explanation. But it's working, and then whatever. We're gonna ship it. Clip and ship it. Okay, so fantastic. I'm happy with that. Okay, I am going to end it right there. Oh, the console is coalescing repeated messages. There's a blue blob to the right which tells you the number of repeated messages. Really? Oh, I didn't know that. That is the explanation. Thank you. Now I understand. So it is working because it is printing the same value. But it wasn't spamming because it's coalescing, which I also do in my chat. But it's all the way over here on the other side of the world. Thank you. Okay, I'm ending the stream. Today was excellent. I think if everything goes well, maybe tomorrow the bots API can go out, and then Fiveman can make the little embedded player and like host the files, download the bots. Holy, and we'll have an embedded player external to Roblox that plays back Roblox bots. How exciting. Oh, it's all going to be worth it. It wasn't actually that hard. Most of the work was already done. I already had the file decoder. I already have a thing that makes graphics. I already have a thing that converts the Roblox maps into a graphical format. I already have a game engine that renders graphics. So it's just about making a little playback engine for the file format that's already decoded, and a little JavaScript wrapper for calling all the functions you need. Holy moly. Crazy. That's all for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Work on maybe try to work on the seek back, seek forward API. We'll see. Bye.